This is how to access engineering menu Mercedes W2201. So guys, first is insert the key and switch to position 1 or accessory mode and don't start the engine. After that, you could use the steering wheel buttons to navigate to the trip or mileage screen. And after that, just simply press and hold the call or end phone button and the OK button on the steering wheel at the same time for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now, the hidden engineering menu will now display on the instrument cluster. Now, to navigate, you could use the arrow keys and OK button to explore diagnostic data, software versions, and system information. So guys, take note that don't change random settings unless you know what they do, as it can affect the car's function. But if you need a professional help, just simply contact the Mercedes support for the issue. Thanks for watching.